Complex number. A number of the form z is equal to a plus b iota, where a and b are real numbers and iota is equal to square root of -1 is called a complex number and is represented by z, that is z is equal to a plus iota b. Integral powers of iota. By using iota is equal to -1, we can calculate the integral powers of iota. For example, I square is equal to square root of -1 whole square, which is equal to -1. Iota cube is equal to iota square multiplied by iota, where iota square is equal to -1 iota equal to minus iota. Iota 4 is equal to 1. Iota 8 is equal to 1. Iota 10 is equal to -1. Pure imaginary number. A pure imaginary number is the square root of a negative real number or a complex number with 0 as its real part, is also called a pure imaginary number. For example, z is equal to 0 plus 3 iota or z is equal to 3 iota, where real part is 0. Set of complex numbers. The set of all complex numbers is denoted by C, and C is equal to z such that z is equal to a plus b iota, where a and b belong to real number and iota is equal to square root of -1. The number a and b, called the real and imaginary parts of z, are denoted as a is equal to real part of z and b is equal to imaginary part of z respectively. Conjugate of a complex number. If we replace I by minus iota in z is equal to a plus b iota, we obtain another complex number a minus b iota, called the complex conjugate of z, and is denoted by z bar. Read as z bar. Thus, if z is equal to -1 minus iota, then z bar is equal to -1 plus iota. This minus sign become positive when we use bar on it. The number of a plus b iota and a minus b iota are called conjugates of each other. Equality of complex numbers and its properties. For all a, b, c and d belong to real number, a plus b iota is equal to c plus d iota if and only if a is equal to c, b is equal to d. For example, 2x plus y square iota is equal to 4 plus 9 iota if and only if 2x is equal to 4 and y square is equal to 9. That is, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to plus minus 3. Properties of real number and also valid for the set of complex number. First, z1 is equal to z1, reflexive law. Second, if z1 is equal to z2, then z2 is equal to z1, symmetric law. Third, z1 is equal to z2 and z2 is equal to z3, then z1 is equal to z3, transitive law. Exercise 2.5, question number 1, evaluate. First part, iota 7, which can be written as iota 6 multiplied by iota. Iota 6 can be written as iota square with exponent 3 multiplied by iota. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore iota square is equal to minus 1 raised to power 3 multiplied by iota. Since it is an odd number, therefore it remains same, minus 1 multiplied by iota, then minus iota, which is the answer. Second part, iota 50. Split the exponent of iota 50 into this iota square with exponent 25. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore minus 1 raised to power 25. 25 is an odd number, therefore the negative sign remains same. Answer is minus 1. Third part, iota 12. It can be written as iota square with exponent 6. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore it becomes minus 1 raised to power 6. Since it is an even number, therefore negative sign change into positive sign. 1 is the answer. Fourth part, minus iota raised to power 8 equal to iota 8. It changes the negative sign into positive sign. It can be written as iota square with exponent 4. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore minus 1 raised to power 4 and it is equal to 1, which is the answer. Part 5 can easily be done in the similar way. Sixth part, iota 27. It can be written as iota 26 multiplied by iota. So iota 26 can be written in iota square with exponent 13 multiplied by iota. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, therefore minus 1 raised to power 13 multiplied by iota. Since it is an odd number, therefore the negative sign remains same, minus 1 multiplied by iota. Therefore answer is minus iota. Question number 2. Write the conjugate of the following numbers. First part, 2 plus 3 iota. Let z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Recall the definition of conjugate in which imaginary part of the complex number will be changed in its conjugate. Therefore z bar means conjugate of z is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Second part, 3 minus 5 iota. Let z is equal to 3 minus 5 iota. Conjugate, that is z bar is equal to 3 plus 5 iota. It changes the sign of imaginary part. Third part is minus iota. Let z is equal to 0 minus iota. Z bar, which is the conjugate of z, is 0 plus iota, that is iota. Fourth part, minus 3 plus 4 iota. Let z is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota. The conjugate of z is equal to minus 3 minus 4 iota. Fifth part, minus 4 minus iota. Let z is equal to minus 4 minus iota. The conjugate of z, which is z bar, is equal to minus 4 plus iota. It changes the sign of imaginary part. Sixth part is iota minus 3. Let z is equal to minus 3 plus iota. Conjugate of z, which is z bar, equal to minus 3 minus iota. Question number 3. Write the real and imaginary part of the following numbers. First part, 1 plus iota. Let z is equal to 1 plus iota. So the real part of z is equal to 1, imaginary part of z is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of iota. Second part, minus 1 plus 2 iota. Let z is equal to minus 1 plus 2 iota. So the real part of z is equal to minus 1 and imaginary part of z is equal to 2, which is the coefficient of 2 iota. Third part, 3 iota plus 2. Let z is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Real part of z is equal to 2. Imaginary part of z is equal to minus 3. Fourth part. Minus 2 iota. Let z is equal to minus 2 iota. Real part of z is equal to minus 2 and imaginary part of z is equal to minus 2. Fifth part. Minus 3 iota. Let z is equal to 0 where real part of this part is 0. Therefore, let z is equal to 0 minus 3 iota. Real part of z is 0. Imaginary part of z is equal to minus 3. 2 plus 0 iota. Let z is equal to 2 plus 0 iota. So the real part of z is equal to 2. Imaginary part of z is equal to 0. Question number 4. Find the value of x and y. If x plus iota y plus 1 equal to 4 minus 3 iota. Solution. X plus iota y plus 1 equal to 4 minus 3 iota. Take this one to the right hand side. Then we have x plus iota y equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3 iota. X plus iota y equal to 3 minus 3 iota. After simplification, two complex numbers are equal if real and imaginary parts are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3.